Well, hello, active traders. This is Ken Calhoun with our daily recap, actually from yesterday, February 15th, 2019. I thought this might be a good opportunity to show you some of the alerts and charts that our members at TradingTheOpen.com, my live room, benefited from. TradingTheOpen.com is available 5 days a week, and we cover the strongest breakout and gap charts Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. till 10:30 a.m. daily. As always, all information is for educational use only. Our first and best pick of the day came from one of my traders, Barry. And thanks, Barry, who mentioned this one, TLND. It had gapped up and it ran up several points for us. Our long trigger was 40. The first one is, I think it was 44.30. The second was 46.15. Ran all the way to 48.50 before retracing back down. The second one that I got a piece of later in the day on my own was TEVA Pharmaceuticals. That did a nice breakout up here and ran all the way from 1750 up to the whole number resistance at 18. That's a quick tip. Always be on the lookout for support near half, like 50-cent mark, and resistance near whole numbers in our charts. Another good steady uptrender minor gap continuation was AZN. Our members were alerted to it with a long trigger of 40.65, and it ran all the way up to 41 before pulling back just a little bit into the close. This is a classic. This is a 2-day chart. This was Friday. This is Thursday, and we always follow these with our breakout patterns as they run. And of course, we use a close-up 1-minute candlestick chart to help our members identify patterns as they emerge. Kind of mixed results with Cron and CGC, one of the pot stocks. Really good volatility. I like the fact that it ran up and down and up and down and up and down. Not as consistent a chart as I prefer, but it did have good tradable volatility for us. So those were two good ones to pay attention to. Next one, we were waiting to see if it ever broke out to new highs up here or even bounced, but it never did. TME. The Thursday chart was outstanding. It went from 15.7 to 17.40. The Friday, not so much, but that's a good one to keep on the radar next week in case it does get a resumption of its uptrend. Another one that didn't bounce but had a good strong day previous day was Thursday's FUV. Yesterday, Friday, it just kind of ground down. So the two best charts out there for our members were TLND and AZN. Anyways, that'll do it for this recap video. I want to keep these short and sweet, give you a heads up on the kind of charts that our members get. Do be sure to try out my live room. I started offering this back in the year 2000, so I've been around for a very long time, trusted by thousands of traders at www.tradingtheopen.com. See you next time, and best wishes for success in your trades.